Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Excuse the mess on my desk. I was not in, excuse my nails, they're a little messy. I was not planning on filming this video today, but I received a wonderful box, a huge box in the mail today, and it's from Erin Condren. So first of all, I want to thank the team at Erin Condren for sending me on a pre-holiday shopping spree. So now I can share with you what's inside this advent calendar. This is the, what is this called, you guys? This is called the 12 Days of Writing Tools Advent Calendar. All right, friends, so it comes in this cardboard packaging. This cylinder can be, excuse me, can be used to house your pens, your writing tools. Once we open everything up, there we go. All right, so let's take a look here. Oops, something is coming out of the little baggie. All right, so I'm gonna look for number 1. Come on, don't be hiding from me. Oh, the one that is open. All right, so tool number 1, you guys. All right, so let's open. You know what? We're gonna get my planner here. Let's see. All right, so this is what is this, you guys? This is a marker. This is really chubby. It's a nice chubby. Okay, I don't know if you are going to be able to see this, but it's like double-ended marker here, or highlighter. So let's see, it looks like it's going to be 2 different colors. Yeah. Wow, look at that. It's a double line, you guys. It's a light pink and almost like a coral looking color. All right, so that's very, very different. I've never seen like a split end like this. So let's do number 2. That's good. I mean, I'll have to get used to that one. Let's see, number 2. Oh, okay. So we already have this. Yeah. So this came in. This came in the fall, actually, in the fall surprise box. So now we have another one. I hope this is a different color. Let's see. No, it's black. Okay. This is, I like the color, but I wish it was a lavender or a purple, because we have 2 other ones that are black. So, oh, you know what? Let me put them back. So 1, 2, let's open number 3. All right. Let's see. Come on. I don't want to rip the little envelope because I'm going to put it back. Oh, no, this is, oh, yeah, number 3. Okay, so this is this looks exactly like the other one. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't look exactly like the other one. Oh, this is weird. Okay, and this one, it's a wiggly. It has like a little, almost like a cutter, you know, for fabric, like a fabric cutter, but it has ink. It's a highlighter, but it has this wavy action going on here. All right, that's okay. I don't know if I'm gonna use that, but it's good to have, right? Let's see, number 4. I hope that you can see that, you guys. Oh, okay, it's one of the gel pens. This is a gel pen, isn't it? Oh, and this is silver. This is a metallic silver. Okay, that's fine. Okay, number 5. Let's take a look. Ooh, it's a clicky pen. Ah, Oh, okay, I'm sorry. It had a, okay, so if you purchase this, you guys, it has a stopper, okay? So take it off before you click the pen or the highlighter. All right, so this is a purple highlighter. Nice. Okay, nice. And it has a click, it's a click pen. So I like this. I like the clicky, and I like that it's a highlighter. So that's nice. All right, so that's 5. Let's see, number 6. Come on. Oh, no, come on. There you go. Oh, okay, okay. This is one of those multicolor gel pens or changing, color changing pens. This one has, let's see, has yellow, it has pink, it has orange. All right. This is nice. I like this pens actually. I have 2 other ones. Oh no, do I already have this? Let's see. No, this is a different one. Okay, it's just that the packaging looks pretty much the same. Oh no, that's a Hello Kitty one. Okay, never mind. It's different. It's just the cap is blue. All right, so that's that orange, pink, and yellow. So number 7. Oops. Oh, okay, okay, okay. This is one of those circle ones. Oh no, come on. Well, it seems like it has a lot of ink. All right, I don't know about this, you guys. Oh wow, this little tip right here looks like it's pushed in all the way. I don't know. So this end is black, and then the circle is blue. I have a feeling that's gonna be super inky and it's gonna go through. All right. This is okay. I actually wanted to buy a set of this for my budgeting. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it. We'll see. All right, 7, 8. Okay, I don't care for this type of markers, you guys. Actually, the color is pretty nice. This is a pretty color. It's not metallic at all. Yeah. Oh, actually, I can see a little bit of the metallic. But it's hardly any, like, yeah, it just looks like a regular green marker. Doesn't have that wow metallic factor, you know. But that's a pretty color. All right, 8, 9. Ooh. Okay, this one is pretty, and I have the cover that matches this pen. So take off the little protector here. Let's take a look. And this is, what color is this? This is a pink, like a very light pink. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, I like this. I like this packaging. Oops. I like the packaging. I like the fact that it's a click pen and that it's a different color. All right, so this one so far is my favorite. All right, let's take a look. Number 10. Oh, another one. No, this is just a regular. Okay, well, not crazy about the color. I like the fact that it has a chisel and a skinny or pointy end. So that's good, but the color, eh. Oh, okay, I already have one of these pens too. This one's pretty. Pretty. This is just gonna be black, because this one is exactly like, where are you? Sorry, you guys, I'm still sick. Where is my purple pen? Oh, here. So I actually got this lavender one for free when we went to the Erin Condren store in California back in July. So it's the same design. It's just this one's a rose gold, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just a black ink. So it's gonna be like this. Yeah, this one's nice actually. Feels good on the hand. So we're not gonna open that one. And let's take a look at the last. Okay, so another. Oh, this one's dual-ended too. It has two different tips. It looks like a purple and a blue. All right, so let's see. Yep. Oops. All right. This one is nice. This is just something different, you know. I just don't know if when you write, let's see. Oh yeah, it shows. Oh, okay. Oh my God, it's making me dizzy because my eyes are thinking that I'm seeing double. Whoa, okay. This is not the pen for me. It's really not. Yeah. Okay, so here are the swatches for all the 12 pens, you guys, that I got in the advent calendar. Okay, now, let me tell you, if you are new to Erin Condren, I think you're gonna like this set. But if you are not new and you've been purchasing Erin Condren surprise boxes and other writing tools sets and stuff, I don't think it's gonna be your favorite, because I have most of this stuff already. So yeah, the whole concept is good. The only thing, like I said, if you are new to Erin Condren, I think you're gonna love it because you get to test a lot of their writing tools. But if you are a seasoned Erin Condren user like myself, you have most of this pens right here and highlighters. So there you go, friends. That is my opinion on this advent calendar. I think the idea is great. Unfortunately for me, I have most of this writing tools. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. I think my battery is dead.